Hey everybody, I'm Dave, as you know, and before we start this video, I just want to remind you to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos lately and I don't want you to miss any. So hit that bell so you get notifications whenever I go live and do a live group chat or post any new material here, which I'll be posting a lot more of. And I want to remind you to check out my free phone flipping mini course. Now, it's tons of information for new and experienced people, lots of videos in there and everything for you guys to get started. So just go to www.phoneflipping101.com. And as always, my friends, keep hustling and let's start the video.
Group. Hey, I just wanted to do a fast video here, kind of a thank you. Just got back. It's like 1 o'clock on a Thursday. Just got back from getting, I think this is my 5th phone for the day. So kind of on a high, got some pretty good deals this morning, but I was thinking, why not do a little shout out to the 101 group and Dave and the course and such, because I'm in my second month of phone flipping, and I think I've made more money in the last 2 months than I have at my regular job. So I mean, that's pretty cool for me. It's really great for my family. My first week, I tried doing phone flipping. Basically, I tried to do it kind of on my own, snatching little bits of information from YouTube and Facebook, and didn't really do so well. I think I profited like 50 bucks or something the first week, maybe not even that. And so I ended up giving up. Took a week of not doing really anything. Ended up finding Dave's 101 group in his YouTube channel. And I decided right then and there that I was going to give the phone flipping deal another shot, but I was going to buy the course first. I think it would be a bad use of time to go through, I would think, days upon days of trying to gather the information yourself in Facebook and YouTube and such. The information's out there, but it's so scattered, and a lot of the information that you read, you have no idea if they know what they're talking about. I still see stuff today that's in some of the Facebook groups that people are posting, and it's not correct information. So I'm really glad I bought that course. I bought it. Took 3 or 4 days to read and watch all the videos, and then started. I made 2,000 bucks of profit in my first 6 or 7 days of doing the phone flipping after I followed Dave's course. And I do give that all the credit to him because, or most of the credit to him, because I followed everything in the video to a T, or the course to the T. If you have problems with negotiations in the course, he has copy and paste rebuttals to sellers. They're disgruntled maybe about the price that you offered, or they think they can get a better price from someplace else. You don't really know what to say to that. Go to the course, copy, paste it into your message, reply back to them, and boom, you've got that covered. So big shout out to the 101 group. I'm always learning something new every single day. Thank you, Dave. I appreciate that you took the time to develop and make the course. Like I said, if you're on the fence about buying the course, I just think that you need to take the plunge and do it. I just don't see how you could ever regret doing it. So I appreciate it, Dave, and I do appreciate all the information that's out there. In the 2 months that I've started the phone flipping, we've made more money phone flipping than I have in my regular job. So, and I think right now, if you buy the course, you get like a package of the RSIM unlock chips that you can use locally to unlock people's phones. So once you do that service, you're going to garner enough money from doing that service locally that you have paid for the course. So really, if you're on the fence about the course, it's sort of free. So really, so just do it. I'm glad I did. I appreciate it, Dave, and I appreciate the 101 group. Thank you.